Okay, we're going to just do a quick video on what it means and how to do to talk about the measured move. What happens is when a stock gets into all-time highs, you have to. The targets are going to be the sky, the moon, and the stars, because there's no resistance, there's no overhead resistance. But so you have to think about, okay, where are these stocks going to trade to? So there's several ways we can do that. And we just put a swing on MU here, and it has just traded upwards almost at all-time highs here. Let's just assume that it has. So there's a couple of ways to to figure out where this is going to go. So Micron here, this is the rising channel. So you'd look for it to trade up to the top of the channel here around 92 or so. That would be a target for it initially, mid-channel and then the top of the channel, 92. The other way to do it is what we call the measured move. So we take the last range, which was the low here at 70, and the high, which was 87. So that's a $17 move. So we take the next low, so this is a higher low here at 74, and we add $17 to that, and that takes us to 91. So which it also corresponds with the top of the channel. So that would be the measured move. Now some of these though, when they spike out like this, when we saw it break out of this level here, you can't. It's very difficult to anticipate a parabolic move like this. But let's just see what happened. So your pop out was here at 8, and it traded to 22. So that's a $14 move. Well, if you were doing the measured move, you would look for this then to trade to 39, which is where it's at now. You would look for it to trade up to 39, but it got way ahead of itself and traded to 70. So your target would have been 39 in this case, and it far exceeded it. So you would sell some at 39 and just keep it going. So that's a measured move on on a stock that's breaking out like that. Let's see if we can. So in this case, we see this LGVW. It came on at 10. It was a SPAC and traded to 18. And then it pulled back, and so the pullback, well, really is in here at 14. If we add 8 to that, 1468, it takes us takes us to 23. So that's as close as damn is to swearing. It was up just $8.50 or so. So there's your measured move. That would be your area that you would look at. Sure enough, it got there and pulled back. Now, if this move was an $8 move, so from here we would look to add $8 to $17. That should take us up to 25, which of course it did. So that's how we calculate the measured move.